If you are paying attention to the UAV world, you could probably think that drones are everywhere and can do anything. This is obviously an exaggeration, but the credible use cases are growing. Precision agriculture can enable farmers to monitor soil moisture and crop health over large areas. Long-line reconnaissance is an inexpensive way to monitor coastlines, power lines, rivers, and railroad tracks. Package delivery is making sense for time-critical, high-value parcels. UAVs will likely be part of smart cities and smart transportation systems. Short-term demand for cellular services can be met by flying UAV base stations. But there are problems that are impeding UAVs from reaching their full potential. In the United States and other countries, the aviation authorities limit UAV operations to the pilot's line of sight. Many UAV cases, including the ones previously mentioned, would improve with greater range. There is considerable ongoing work to remove this restriction, and improvements to the cellular network will most likely be a major part of the solution. But these are years away and will not cover all geographic areas even when implemented. Tune into my presentation where I introduce an alternative solution using a tethered UAV with a high gain antenna.